HLA's Cultural Exchange Program is built on the concepts of mutual benefit and collaborative learning. The program pairs each visiting student with a mutual learning partner, an intermediate or advanced level English language student at HLA. Visiting students assist the Tibetan students with one-on-one language instruction, conversational practice, and pronunciation skills for about 3 hours each morning. HLA offers English and other language classes daily, which focus on grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. However, students always enjoy time for individual practice to improve conversational fluency. Through conversations with their partners, exchange students learn more about Dharamsala, Tibetan culture, the political situation in Tibet, and what life is like for a refugee, in a mutually beneficial relationship that fosters deeper cross-cultural understanding.
During our time here, we spent 3 hours each day working with a mutual learning partner who all of them were Tibetan refugees. Mine was Tulane, 29-year-old Buddhist monk who came to India in 2006 with his brother. And it was just so inspiring to hear his story and how much he's been through in life and how he speaks about it all with just such a cool head and so collected.
It is a complete different perspective of life here than in my country, in Mexico. So I think that no matter how hard I try to help them, I always receive more. So I have learned to see life from a different point of view, completely different from the Western point of view. So it has been really, really helpful.
I was really surprised and touched by my experience because my partner Dechen didn't speak much English, and when we first got together I was kind of immediately concerned that we would have this language barrier, but what ended up happening was like this really profound connection between us that was filled mostly by laughter and sharing experiences together, and slowly through that we started to learn so much about each other and each other's culture. But it didn't happen the way that I expected it to. But I feel really grateful to have been able to interact and connect with such an amazing person. You know, she's so brave and she's been through so much, but every moment that we had together was just so filled with joy. It's really great. I'm so grateful for the experience.
The partnership that we have made with LHA and with LA has been an absolute perfect confluence. It has worked magically and perfectly. And this being the 10-year anniversary for our work with LA, and LA's coming to do this work. So this says LA Charitable Trust, Institute for Education and Social Work, 21 September 2015, today. This online, uninterrupted power supply system was donated by the 2015 Tulane University School of Social Work Student Group and the Tulane University School of Social Work as a token of appreciation, recognizing the 10-year anniversary of La Charitable Trust and its positive impact on the local Tibetan and Indian community.
We would like to thank you for letting us come into your school, into your family, and to learn about the culture here in Dharamsala, and to just get to know so many different students from so many different backgrounds. This experience has caused us to appreciate what it is that we have, and to appreciate someone else's culture. As you can see, we're very emotional because we don't get this at home. So, you know, everybody here is prayed for our prosperity and things like that, and so that means a lot to us. And so we just thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We weren't expecting this at all. We thought we would just come to eat. So you brought the feelings out of us. But yes, we've actually just learned a lot, and we're gonna take this back and tell other people to value their education and to value what they have and to educate themselves so that they can challenge just what isn't right in their society and to make it right, what's not right, and to correct things and to raise awareness about what's going on in Tibet and just try to help in any way that we can.